and the threshold wavelength, which is what? Frequency and wavelength have some relation which is connected by what? You know it, speed of light. So speed of light is basically the product of frequency and wavelength. So if there is a threshold frequency, that means there must be some threshold wavelength, and you can calculate it very easily by using this expression. Now I'll give you some examples of work function of few metals. See, cesium, this work function has a unit of 10 raised to power minus 19 joules. Imagine how small amount of energy is required by the electrons of this metal to come out. So cesium has got 3 into 10 raised to power minus 19 joules. Lithium 3.7, beryllium 6.2, mercury 7.2 and tungsten 7.4. Now out of all these, the abundantly available and good metal on which these experiments could be done was tungsten. So most of the experiments which will be discussing in a while of thermionic emission are based upon the experiments which was done by using the element tungsten. So the work function of tungsten is 7.4 into 10 raised to power minus 19 joules. Remember this value.